turn right.
Okay, coming out of the parking lot. You can't see much here. Stop fully first. Then lean forward. Look left, look right, then left again. The examiner is watching your judgment. Only go when it's clear. If the examiner doesn't give you a direction, just keep going straight. Don't guess, just continue.
Lane change, right?
For a lane change, signal first. Check your mirrors and blind spot. Change lanes only when it's safe. This is an all-way stop intersection. Every vehicle must make a full stop. Stop behind the line, no rolling. Check left, right and left again. The first vehicle that stops goes first.
Keep in this lane and turn left.
At a red light, keep scanning. Don't stare straight ahead. Look left and right. Watch pedestrians and bikes. Stay ready. Even if it's temporary, if you see a no right turn on red sign, follow it.
At the next intersection, turn right.
Even with a green light, you must yield to pedestrians. In residential areas, the speed limit is 25 miles per hour. Your target speed is between 20 and 25 miles per hour. For a speed hump, slow down to 15 miles per hour or less. Go over it at a steady speed. Do not brake on top of it. After you pass, bring your speed back to about 20 to 25 miles per hour.
Turn left. Turn right at the next corner. Turn left at the end.
At a T intersection, make a full stop. Creep forward and look both ways. Yield to any traffic with the right of way. Go only when it's fully safe. All-way stop sign. Look left, right, left again. First stopped, goes first. Go in safe.
Turn left at the next corner.
Good.
Turn left.
At a T intersection, make a full stop. Visibility is bad here. You don't have the right of way. Creep forward and look both ways. Yield to any traffic with the right of way. Go only when it's fully safe.
Done. Good.
For a speed hump, slow down to 15 miles per hour or less. Go over it at a steady speed. Do not brake on top of it. After you pass, bring your speed back to about 20 to 25 mph. If you need to use the opposite lane, oncoming traffic has the right of way. Wait until it's clear before you enter. At intersections without a stop sign, scan left and right. Make sure it's clear before you go through.
Intersection, turn left.
Keep clear zone. Don't stop in this area. At the red light, keep checking both sides. Plan your turn ahead of time. Be ready to yield if needed. Unprotected left turn, yield to straight traffic. Watch right turn cars and pedestrians. Pull in and wait on green. Only one car waits. Turn when it's clearly safe.
Lane change, right?
For a lane change, signal first. Check your mirrors and blind spot. Change lanes only when it's safe. If not, go by the normal speed limit sign. School zone. It's 25 don't matter to you when kids are present.
Intersection, turn right.
Right on red, full stop first. Look, then go if it's clear.
Pull over and stop by the curb.
When pulling over, signal first. Check mirrors, then blind spot. Make sure it's clear. Slow down and move to the curb.
Okay, back up straight until I tell you to stop.
Reverse for about 3 car lengths. Stay straight and parallel to the curb.
Stop. When it's safe, pull out and continue.
When pulling back into traffic, signal first. Check mirrors, then blind spot. Wait for a safe gap. Pull out smoothly and continue.
Lane change left.
Tracks coming up. Hold your speed. No braking on the tracks. Quick check left and right. Then keep going. When you stop, you should just see the back tires of the car in front. That's a good stopping distance.
At the DMV sign, turn left into the parking lot.
Don't turn too early, or you'll end up in oncoming. Wait for the entrance. Then cross the double yellow to turn in.